What an amazing book! Can't wait to find out what will happen next. What a mess! Oh no! How did it happen? I can't believe my eyes. How do I clean it all now? I have no idea! I need help! Wait, I have an idea. How could I forget? And this magic book will help me. Wow!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Barbie! What are you doing here?
Hi, Sammy. I really need your help. My home's a mess. I need tools to clean it up.
Don't worry! We can make an amazing super brush for you! We can craft tons of cool stuff for you!
Ah, thanks, Sammy. I knew you'd help. We'll use everyday stuff to make our crafts.
Let's start with scented soaps!
That's a great idea, Sammy.
Barbie, what are your favorite smells?
Lavender, vanilla, and... Ah, I know, apple. Great choice. Let's start. We'll use empty gelatin capsules for our craft. Perfect.
I found the scents we need!
Wow, they're all different colors. Amazing. And some modeling clay to keep our bottle upright.
Wow, that's smart, Sue! We can make anything with the right stuff!
No wonder. You guys are amazing at crafting. Time to prepare the soap. We'll fold it this way. You'll see why later. Let's pour the soap into the bottles.
What do you say? Does it look like soap?
Seems like something's missing. Yes! We still need the lids! But what can we use to make them?
I found a few beads! What if we use them?
Great, Sammy! Let's label the soaps, or I might mix them up. Could you help us, Sammy?
Just a sec! Here, Sue! They're already sticky!
Awesome! Now Barbie won't mix up her soaps. I'm so happy! New sweet scents will fill my home!
I liked making tiny things for Barbie so much!
Me too! I'm sad she has to go back to her world. I'll miss her.
Let's make a phone for her to chat with us!
Right! We'll make a mini smartphone for Barbie! I bet she'll love this one. It's so cool and new.
We'll need a magnifying glass for this craft!
That's a good idea, Sammy. Could you hold it for me?
Our phone's going to look so real!
Your ideas are the best, Sammy. This is going to be a case for our phone. So cute!
Can I have the same, Sue?
I knew you'd ask. Here you go.
I need to tell Barbie about this.
What are you gonna tell me?
Look at these new cool phones we made.
Wow, that's cool. But why do we need them?
When you go back to your world, we'll stay in touch.
That's great news, Sammy. You can make a phone like this all by yourself, friends. It's very simple.
Stay tuned to see what we're going to do next. What if Barbie feels thirsty? Let's make water bottles.
But what materials can we use?
We can use this.
They already look like little water bottles. We only need a few changes. That's how we'll make the bottom. It's time to fill it with water. Be very careful when you do it, or better ask an adult for help. Now we just need to add the lid. Done!
I've prepared the label, Sue.
That's the perfect name for our water.
Let's make more bottles.
All done. Let's just pack them. A handle to carry them. And a bigger label.
Barbie, it's for you. Drink it if you feel thirsty.
Drinking water is good for us. Thanks, guys.
We have more gifts for Barbie. Stay tuned to see them.
And don't forget to subscribe. What if we make some books for Barbie? This way, she'll never get bored.
I've got pages, Sue! I think this book is about animals!
That's so exciting! Let's glue it all together. The book is almost ready. So easy and fast.
We still need the binding!
I'll use a ruler and the cutter to make it. But don't cut all the way through.
I made 2 more books in different colors!
We can also decorate them. These books are so pretty and interesting. Let's make a bag for you to carry the books. That's exactly what I need.
Amazing! Then get ready to show off a new stylish bag!
Ah, Sammy, you're the sweetest slime ever. Bring the material, sweetie.
I'm on it! I'm not only the sweetest slime, but the fastest too!
Purple? This color is great for Barbie.
Look, Sue! We can use this chain for the bag!
This chain will make the bag even prettier. And finally, we'll add the flap. Some Velcro will keep our bag closed. And a bit of sparkle. Stunning. I really love my new bag. It matches my outfit. And now, we'll make you a cat-shaped bag.
This material is as soft as a cat's fur!
But this time, we're making a zip bag.
Did someone say zip?
As usual, just on time, Sammy.
Sue, I'm wearing a mask. No one will know it's me.
You're like Batman, Sammy. I'll trim the extra fabric here. This will help our future bag keep its shape. Time to add the sides. It's starting to look like a real bag, right, friends?
Cattier suit me, but I made them for the bag.
They're super cute, Sammy. Thanks. This will help our bag look like a kitty. Meow. And 2 little round eyes. I can't believe my eyes. It's the sweetest bag I've ever seen. Meow, meow. How about some makeup for Barbie? I think she might need some mascara. This is going to be the handle. I'll trim the extra.
Don't forget to color it!
Right, Sammy! Let's make it black! And the cover so that the mascara doesn't ruin Barbie's stuff.
Black and gold look awesome together!
Let's see. You're right! Looks amazing!
Barbie, come here! We got a gift for you!
Another gift? Wow, is it my birthday today? Let me help you, Barbie! Whoa, your eyes are so beautiful!
It makes your eyes even bigger!
Thanks for the gift, guys. Sammy, are you getting ready for bed?
Not yet, Sue! I just want to make a cleaning brush for Barbie!
But Sammy, how are we going to do it?
I'll use my ninja skills! Put it on the table!
Be careful, Sammy!
Use this to make everything smooth, Sue!
Oh, a nail file? That's smart, Sammy. It will make the brush nice and safe.
We can use this foameran as a handle, Sue!
Great idea, Sammy. It will be very convenient. Ta-da! Can I try it on, Sue? Sure. Is it the right size? Perfect. Cleaning will be so fun with this brush. We'll also need special cleaning liquid. Let's make it.
How about using these colorful plastic skewers?
These are perfect. We just need the top part.
Let's paint the lids white, Sue!
Here we go! 3 different bottles, 3 different products. Guys, I'm so lucky to have you. You're always ready to help.
Aw, thanks. But I feel like I forgot something. I wanted to make something super special for you.
But Sammy, you've done so much already.
Oh, I know! Wait here, Barbie. I'll be back very soon. Do we have green foameran, Sue?
How about this color?
Perfect! We'll use it to make a little potted plant.
Great! It'll make Barbie's home even cozier. I'll just roll it up, and it's time to plant it. This tinsel will hold the plant together. Do you see?
Here's the pot.
Awesome! Let's check it out. Wow, it fits perfectly. Yay, Sammy! That's what my home needed.
Where are you going to keep it, Barbie?
In the living room. And you'll see it when you visit.
Yay!
Guys, sorry, but I have to go back home. I don't know how I can carry all the gifts.
We packed everything in a suitcase for you.
Thank you. Come visit me. I'll prepare sweets and tea.
We gotta go too, friends. Like this video and subscribe to see what we'll make next. Bye-bye!
Day of spring, the lily buds grow lettuce for the worms, and bees start buzzing again, and Ellery does his spring cleaning. He cleans his house from top to bottom, searching for any leftover food he stored for the winter, and it takes him the whole day.
Hello, everyone. Isn't it a beautiful morning?
It is indeed, Rose. Here you go, Cap. Lunch is for the lettuce planting team.
Thank you, Thorn. Now we're good to go.
Well, if lunch is done and we don't have to worry about Ellery, I think I'll take a little nap. Oh, no, you don't. I have a little outing in mind to gather something for dinner tonight. You can sleep another time.
Can you believe it? It's still here. The hopscotch game I made last spring. Today is going to be the best day ever. Hi, Rose, Cap. Good, you're here. Dev, hi. Oh, and Cap, you brought our lunch. How thoughtful, because we'll be there for a really long time.
Oh, you're welcome. But where will we be for a really long time?
The path in the park. We're going to have so much fun. By the way, did anyone notice I have on my favorite spring dress? Oh, it's very pretty. But aren't you coming with us? I thought you were coming with me to play hopscotch.
Everyone ready to grow some lettuce?
Remember? For the earthworms. They're waking up today from their long winter sleep.
And they're going to be hungry.
It's the best day of the year. We get to turn up the soil and walk around in mud.
Right, I completely forgot. Otherwise, I would never have put on my favorite spring dress.
Oh, Lilac, don't worry. There are already plenty of us. Why don't you stay home and play hopscotch?
Really? I don't want to let anyone down. Moss, is it okay?
Sure, I could actually do it all by myself, but everyone seems to enjoy helping me. Let's go, team.
But if Moss doesn't need you, wouldn't you all rather come play hopscotch with me instead?
Maybe next time. Have fun!
Can you believe it, Bee? Huh? Bee? Hey there! I came to see if you two want to play hopscotch. It's really fun.
That's kind of you to ask, Lilac, but we're heading out to do something even better. Right, Bucky?
Huh? What were you saying? Oh, hiya, Lilac. Are you coming with us?
I guess so. What are you doing that's more fun than hopscotch?
Picking fiddleheads.
That's the fun thing? Picking ferns in the mud?
Of course, they taste delicious. Ask Bucky.
Bucky, careful, my dress!
Sorry.
Are you sure you wouldn't rather play hopscotch?
Thorn doesn't like hopscotch. But you can play here if you want to.
Bucky!
Sorry, Chef Thorn. My body's finally awake and it can't seem to stop jumping.
I've never seen the ground this hard. It's still half frozen from winter. We're gonna have to dig even deeper to help the worms out.
We have to. They depend on it, and so does nature, to make the soil rich for plants. There's one!
He's okay. Just tired. Let's get to work.
Spring cleaning. Ugh, who invented such an unpleasant chore?
A do-gooder lilybud. My day just got better. Hello!
Oh, hi, Ellery. How would you like to play hopscotch with me?
Oh, I can't believe it! I saw you walking up the path, and I was just about to ask you the same thing.
You were? Oh, finally, someone to play hopscotch with. Yay!
Oh, my mistake. Sorry, Lilac. I was going to ask you to play a game, yes, but not hopscotch. It's called the brush game.
How do you play?
Easy. You take your brush and scrub down my porch, getting the yucky dirt away, like so.
Then what? Do we put the brushes down and jump over them?
No, just keep scrubbing. It gets better. Now brush up there.
Do you keep score? Whoever reaches farthest gets a point?
Something like that. Oh, you missed some dirt. Start over.
Are those cleaning supplies?
These? No, they're a part of the game.
Ellery, I'm beginning to think you're just trying to get me to do your spring cleaning.
What? Brush is the most fun game ever. Shall we continue?
No, thank you, Ellery. I'll help you clean some other time. Today I want to play hopscotch.
It was worth a try.
Hey, Bee, I can't believe everyone is so busy. Doesn't anyone want to have fun? That's it! I have to ask someone who loves to have fun and who loves hopping around even more. The rabbits!
Everybody in position? Here we go. Let's move some dirt.
Oh no! It's not working! The ground is too hard. Those poor worms must be so hungry.
We're all getting tired. Our magic's not working. What now, Rose?
Just one thing. Trying again. We can't give up now.
Come on. Here we go.
So perfect. Ugh, except for this annoying buzzing. Oh, hi, Lilac. Baby, it's Lilac.
Hello. Nice outfit.
Thank you. It's my favorite spring dress. So, I made up some new hopscotch games. Would you like to...
It's about to begin.
What's about to begin?
Something magical. We call it the water drop show. Wow! Did you see it?
Are you talking about that drop of water falling off that blade of grass?
You know, sometimes people miss it.
You haven't seen anything yet. Do you want to watch the water drop show with us? It's the best day of the year.
I know everyone is different, but are you really telling me that's the best thing to do on the first day of spring?
Of course. Ow, and we'd be having even more fun if the ground wasn't so hard.
What are you doing?
If we jump up and down like this, it softens up the ground.
Oh, wait a second. If you really want to soften up the ground, I have the perfect thing. See? It's called hopscotch. We can soften up the ground and have fun at the same time.
We already have fun all the time.
What? With that water drop game?
It doesn't matter, as long as we're together.
You're right. You always have the most fun when you're with your friends. I should have gone with the others right from the start. Do you guys mind? I'm going to go find my friends.
Yeah, cool.
Whatever.
Can I still help? Are all the worms up?
Lilac! The ground is too hard.
Wait a second. The ground is too hard. Guys, I know what to do. Bobby and Bibi showed me.
It's working!
The worms are coming!
Look!
There's an
Lilac! Your dress!
Oh, that doesn't matter. What matters is being with my friends. Almost ready for our show. I call this the Firefly Show. Take it away, Fireflies!